Tomato rasam. I have taken one kadai, added 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now I am adding half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of jeera. Now the mustard and jeera is filtered. I am adding curry leaves. I have taken small size tamarind. Taken 1 cup of hot water. I have taken a juice. Now I am adding this juice. Adding turmeric powder in this. I am adding asafoetida. I am adding salt for this rasam, 1 teaspoon. And the tamarind boil. Now I am adding 2 spoons of rasam powder. I have taken 3 teaspoons of tur dal, added half cup of water and 1 tomato cut into pieces, added turmeric powder and little ghee. I boiled and kept. After this boil, I will add the dal. Now the tamarind water is boiling. I am adding the dal and tomato boiled. Now the rasam is boiling. Adding coriander leaves and curry leaves, pepper jeera powder, half teaspoon sugar, that is optional, and adjusting the consistency of rasam by adding half cup of water. Now it is boiling well. I am switching up the gas and serving in bowl. You can have it as a soup or you can serve it with a rice. Thank you for watching.